I think the Australian and PNG governments need to come together and find a solution to this problem. I don't think withdrawing aid that is very vital to funding health programs, especially in remote and rural parts of Papua New Guinea, is the right step, but it is an Australian government prerogative. That is their money and they have concerns. What we as the Papua New Guinean government need to do is to find out why they're concerned and what their views are, and hold a discussion in regards to finding some way forward, a way forward that will not see the people who need these basic healthcare services funded by this program deprived of those services, because we're talking about lives here. We're talking about people, and I just think that the Prime Minister, the Health Minister, the Foreign Affairs Minister need to get involved with their Australian counterparts and find a solution to this. The Health Minister has been a very active person doing great things out there, but I think in this instance these are concerns that are very real and need to be taken on board. I believe that the concern the Australian government has is in regards to the awarding of a contract to a company for the distribution of drugs throughout Papua New Guinea. I believe that if the Central Supplies and Tenders Board were a credible organization, then there would be no, suspicions or questions raised by the public or the government of Australia, as has been the case in this instance. But that organization has not managed the people's money well. It has dished out contracts to, dubious companies under strange circumstances, inflated contract, goods and services that are supposed to be delivered are not being delivered, and it's costing the people of this country a lot of money. And this is, in my opinion, the reason why Australia is voicing their concern, and we need to take note. If we really care about our people, then we should find a solution to this situation, and maybe this is the alarm bell the government needs to conduct an urgent review of the procurement system of the Central Supplies and Tenders Board, because I feel that organization is well overdue for an audit. It's well overdue for a review. It is just not functioning in the best interest of the people of Papua New Guinea.